Islam is in your heart, but you doesn't pray 5 times a day. Islam is in your heart, but you eat haram and gain money from haram. Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are just joining for the first time, please subscribe down below and turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I upload any video. Today inshallah we are going to be talking on some steps you need to follow in choosing the right husband. Put it at the back of your mind that you are making a big decision here, so choose wisely. The first thing you need to do in choosing a good husband is praying istikhara. Praying istikhara in choosing a life partner is very important because marriage is not a joke. You got to choose a life partner for yourself. Therefore, you need Allah's guidance, so pray istikhara. Secondly, choose a good practicing Muslim, because we the women in Islam are not allowed to marry a non-Muslim, no matter the love you guys share. The guy lying that Islam is in his heart and he doesn't pray 5 times a day is not for you there. It's not for you at all. Islam is in your heart, but you doesn't pray 5 times a day. Islam is in your heart, but you have never been to masjid. Islam is in your heart, but you smoke and drink alcohol. Islam is in your heart, but you eat haram and gain money from haram. My dear sister, don't marry such a guy, because such guy only bear Islamic name but doesn't practice Islam. And I know you wouldn't want this type of a guy to be your life partner. You got to think of your future. You got to think of the future of your children. What kind of a father is he going to be? Is he going to help you in bringing your children up? You don't want this type of a person to be part of your life or part of your family. Sometimes it's not because of the love the person has for you that makes him do the right thing. It's because of the fear of Allah that is in his heart that makes him do that. So in choosing a life partner, you got to think of the future. What kind of a father is he going to be? You know, if you are a good practicing Muslim girl, practicing comes in different way, but in general, you are just trying your best to keep your deen, and you want to be able to raise your children in the best way, such that they can also be good practicing Muslim children. You need a good practicing Muslim husband to support you in this. And if you don't have your husband's support in this, actually it's going to be hard for you. My dear sister, choose your husband wisely. Choose a person that is going to treat you well and your family and your children. It can really be difficult to know if a man is a good practicing Muslim or not. Here you need your parents' support. Yes, your parents' support comes in. You need your parents' support in making research on such a person that approaches you. So, and you also need to pray harder. Pray hard, make your own research, and your parents should help you in this. Because the man may just be lying to you, or the guy may just be lying to you, and he doesn't practice any of this. So do a lot of research and pray istikhara for Allah's guidance. You know, perfect husband doesn't exist anymore, but you can try your best to find the good one for yourself. I'm just saying my opinion. It's your decision after all to choose whosoever you want to be part of your life. And if you are happily married to such a guy and living happily, falillahi alhamd. I am not saying you should go out there and start looking for Mr. Right. Oh no, I didn't say so. So don't go outside there and start looking for Mr. Perfect. Mr. Perfect doesn't exist, my sister. Just do a lot of research and study about the man you want to spend the rest of your life with. May Allah bless each and every girl out there that is looking for a good husband, with a good and supportive husband that will take good care of you and that will support you in every angle, and also support you in your deen, in making you come closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Amin ya Rabbi. Please, if you enjoy watching this video, like it, subscribe. Assalamu alaikum.